In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your property from Zillow 2026 full guide. Taking down a listing is a normal part of the selling journey. Maybe you're pausing for renovations, revisiting your marketing plan, or simply waiting for a better market window. While Zillow doesn't delete your property's physical address because it's tied to public record data, you can switch the status to off market so it no longer appears in active search results. Here's how to do it cleanly and confidently. First, sign in at Zillow.com using the same account you used to create the listing. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose My Home. You'll see tiles for properties associated with your account. Click the property you want to update. This opens the owner view, which is where all your administrative tools live and where you'll make the change. Inside Owner View, look for the More menu located on the right side of the listing fax area. Open that dropdown and select Cancel Listing. Zillow will prompt you to pick a reason. Choose No Longer for Sale if you're taking it off the market without a sale. Like if you've actually sold the home, select Sold instead and enter the final sale price and closing date. Providing accurate details here helps keep the public record history correct, which is useful for future buyers, appraisers, and even your own records. After selecting the appropriate reason, click the Update Status button. It's usually a blue button at the bottom or side of the page. Your owner view should reflect the change right away. Keep in mind that other places may take longer to catch up due to caching and search index updates. It can take 24 to 48 hours for your home to disappear from third-party search filters, Google results, or from the saved homes lists of other users. That delay is normal and doesn't mean you did anything wrong. A quick note for 2026 standards. If you're an agent, make sure to cancel the listing through your MLS feed first. If the MLS still shows the home is active, it can automatically re-syndicate back to Zillow within hours. Also, canceling on Zillow removes the listing from Trulia and HotPads as well, since they share Zillow's centralized database. If you plan to relist in the future, your prior photos and details are typically saved in your dashboard, making it faster to republish when you're ready. If the property still appears as active after 48 hours, check whether a second account has claimed the home or if a brokerage feed is overriding your manual update. For persistent issues, scroll to the bottom of the Zillow site, open the Help Center, and submit a request to the Zillow data team. And that's it. By managing your status, you stay in control of when and how your home is marketed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.